Welcome to
Oh, so this is what we've got.
Please press button to close and lock door.
So this is what we've got, the sensor basin. But it hasn't got, shush! It hasn't even got the high speed dryer though.
Button to unlock door.
What the fuck? That is shite. Absolutely shite. Like, that's not like. That is knackered. Like, that's not just a stuffed hand dryer, that is completely fucked.